guys, back again with another unboxing. This time it's the new Olight, the Odin GL M, max 1500 lumens and a throw 215 meters. I guess that's how far you can throw it. I don't know. So it's got a nice little box on it. I have purchased this because more and more in our semi-automatic rifle competitions, dark stages are being introduced. So obviously if you don't have some form of flashlight, then you're screwed. Sorry about that, guys. That was someone at the door delivering another parcel, so I'll be doing another unboxing soon enough. So anyway, like I was saying, a lot of these competitions now are introducing these dark stages where you have to maneuver around a course of fire in the dark, and if you're holding a flashlight then you're not doing very well. So this is the idea of this is that I'm going to be able to attach this to my firearm and use it for competition, and then secondary as an everyday carry, because everyone needs a flashlight. So thank you for being part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy the Olight team. Thank you, Olight. It is appreciated. So I got to say, it's a nice box. It kind of reminds me a lot of like Apple stuff. So there's that plastic sleeve with some instructions on it. Very nice. And here is the light. Oh dear, that's in there tight. Oh. Nice. So there's the mount. Got a nice cover. It's surprisingly heavy. It is very heavy. I do like that. That's an activator on the back there. So obviously the batteries are obviously not powered up. So it's a very, very nicely presented. There we go. Now we're getting to something. So this will be the activator. So that will be instant to just manually hold down to keep the light lit, and an on and off switch. So that is that's very nice. Very nice. Oh, magnetic as well. That is, I love it. Look at that. And screw it into place. Push. Oh, okay. You just push it to lock it and pull to disengage it. Okay. Okay. There's me trying to do it up. There's a plum duff and a half. So literally just pull it to take it apart, put it on, push it to lock it in place. This will be mounted on some sort of Picatinny rail. On and off, manual. Nice. Nice, very nice. So what else we got? That. What's this? This has got to be a battery, is it? Well, it doesn't matter. I won't be sending it back. Okay, this is okay. So charge. Oh, a couple of tools. What is this? Okay, m-lok. Got an m-lok, and there's the connection. Okay. Excellent. That works great. Well, I put it on, but how do you get it off? So it's saying that's to lock it. That's to unlock it. So I don't know if you push it. See, this is where you should read the instructions, but obviously we're not going to get round to that. There we go. There we go. So, locking and unlocking. So, to install it, just push it on. It locks. To lock it so it's not going to come off, you turn it. To unlock it, click it back that way. Push it in, it comes off lovely. See, when you know what you're doing, it works perfect. Yeah, m-lok. That's pretty cool. Nice m-lok on there. So that will mount on there. And then, as I say, we've got some screws, a couple more m-lok replacement pieces. So if you ever lose anything, you can redo it. And a couple of Allen keys in there. Well, I got to say, I'll have to get this on and charge it. Nice magnetic charging point as well. So that is a nice bit of kit, actually. I am looking forward to installing that. Obviously, I will do another video based on installing it and using it. So we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned for a video regarding that. Yeah, well, that's that. Nice and simple. Lovely bit of kit. Looking forward to using that and installing it onto my rifle. Let me know what you think, guys. Drop me a like. Leave me a couple of comments. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much. Take it steady, guys. Cheers.